All right, welcome to Realtor Secret. My name is Daniel D, and I am the owner of this proprietary program that you're about to watch how it works in just a second. So this video is very, very special. So make sure you pay close attention. And if you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you right at the next step. Take care. Bye-bye.
You are a real estate professional. You've launched an attractive website, created all of your social media accounts, and you even spent a pretty penny with pay-per-click ads and other forms of marketing. But then, nothing. No leads, no customers, no sales. However, that's all about to change. Allow me to introduce Realtor Secret, the most powerful and profitable Instagram marketing software that helps real estate professionals on Instagram just like you get right in front of their perfect prospects. Meet Ashley. Ashley is a real estate professional serving the Orange County area. Ashley notices millions of Orange County locals posting photos and videos on Instagram about their life in Orange County, using unique hashtags like #OCLife, #OCLiving, and SoCalLife. Ashley learns about the powerful automation software Realtor Secret, and she signs up immediately. Realtor Secret goes to work automating Ashley's Instagram activity, which engages Ashley with these targeted Orange County locals by liking their photos, leaving comments, following them, and even direct messaging them to spark the conversation. This gets Ashley right in front of Orange County locals with her real estate services and message. Ashley's Instagram profile starts gaining incredibly targeted exposure with potential customers and Orange County locals. Now, Ashley is making real relationships that convert into real leads and sales, instead of just paying for expensive likes, clicks, and views. The next morning, Ashley wakes up to see a massive increase in new profile traffic, a growing email list, and tons of new direct messages from Orange County locals about her real estate services, as well as a growing amount of Orange County-based followers which she can now continue to market to for years to come. All because of Realtor Secret's amazing automation software. Claim your free 5-day trial now. No risk, no obligation, cancel anytime.